Hi, my name is Eva, and I assume you click on this workshop because you are pregnant. So, first things first, congratulations. This is the workshop Emotional Preparation for Childbirth. In this video, you will learn how the workshop works, and I will show you one exercise that we will do throughout the workshop. And after each video will be separate assignment. I prepared 14 assignments for you and I divided them in 3 parts. In first part, we will look at the pregnancy. In the second main part, we will explore your feelings about birth. And in third part, we will do a lot of practical exercises to work with the emotions regarding upcoming childbirth as well. Regarding the assignments, I would prefer that you don't do everything at once. So each day new assignment. But you take 2 to 3 days between each assignment to really think about it, to take time to write it down, and after a few days, you go and pick up next assignment. Why I did this workshop is because I notice a lot of mothers that come to me for therapy are not really talking about childbirth. Sure, they mention it, but they are not emotionally preparing for it. They do the workshop. Usually they have like a parent workshop where you go with a partner and they prepare you for the birth in a sense of what position, what you can expect and stuff like that. But emotional preparation, it's not there yet. So in this workshop, I want us to prepare emotionally together for the upcoming birth. This workshop is creative. We will use guided meditation, writing, drawing, imagination, visualization. But what I want to emphasize is that you don't need to be a skilled writer or a marvelous illustrator. Sometimes it's even better because if we are a writer or illustrator, we know all the rules, so it's harder to let go. What is important? This is just a tool with which we can come deeper into our emotions. And this is what I want. Because sometimes with a conversation, we can scoop off some layers, but with drawing, creativity, writing, with learning how to let go, we can come to a deeper layers of our emotions. And after being with the emotion, processing the emotion can really help us to prepare for childbirth. So the feelings and the emotions won't surprise you in the birthing room. Okay, the exercise that I promise is body scan. So what will we do is scan our bodies like a scanner from head to toes. And you will observe how your body is feeling right now in this moment. And what you are observing is, are there any sensation? Is it cold? Is it warm? Is it ticklish? Is it unpleasant? Is it pleasant? Whatever is happening in your body, just make a little note. So let's do it together. You can close your eyes or look at one spot. And in your mind, walk through your body from head to toes. This exercise is quick, like 30 seconds, a minute to do a walkthrough. And just observe how your head is feeling, how your hands are feeling, what are the sensations in upper torso. How is your stomach and your intestines? How is your pelvis? Upper legs, lower legs, and feet. And once you finish, open your eyes. What I also want you to do with body scan is write down your sensations or tell it out loud. You can tell it to me. You can pause your video. I'm listening to you. And once you tell me the sensations or write them down, distinguish between physical pain, because in pregnancy, we can have a lot of physical pain, like back pain, reflux. I won't even name them because there is so many. But I also want you to do is distinguish between sensations that maybe you cannot really put the finger on, and after check the emotion wheel and check if these sensations are connecting to the emotion on the emotion wheel. Sometimes we just feel the sensation and we don't know what is going on. And to connect the emotion, I prepare emotion wheel for you. You can download this emotion wheel with other worksheets that I prepare for this workshop through my webpage. I will leave the link below. And also every time we will be using worksheet, I will put it on the screen as well. This exercise is simple but very important because emotions are first in our body. Okay, we reached the end of today's introduction and we see each other in the first assignment. Till then, practice body scan.